Today I'll be talking about Bmw 335I, and I'm sure they're similar to other like 325 and so. I'll show you a few other things before I show you fuse box locations. So to open the hood, if you do it once, it won't open all the way. It's stuck. You gotta do it 2 times, as it shows right here. And then you go one more time, and that unlocks it. Then you open the hood, just like that. I don't really see where the fuse box is under the hood. I'm not saying there isn't. If you know, comment below. But there's your plus if you need to get to plus. And just if you need ground, just hook up probably to one of the bolts that's grounded to the frame or so. Just close it. Close it, you just push it. That's it. So, and also there's the trunk. You can lock the trunk right here. If you go the left, it locks. If you go right, it unlocks. So if you can't open it, make sure this is an unlock position. Also, you can hide things. It's kind of noticeable if you pull this down, put stuff in there. Also, there's AUX connection right here and USB. And let me show you where the fuses are. To get to them, you have to open the trunk. Either use your remote or just press a button right here. And there are, if you look here, right under here, and they're hidden inside there, right there. Those are the fuses. Also, your battery and some more fuses are in here. There's your battery, and there's more fuses right in there. So that's the only ones I found so far for the fuses. If you know where there's more, comment below. Also, this is to fold the seats down on both sides. 1, 2. And then there's a outlet for the car charger inside here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.